Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be working on the E46 again today and a quick little DIY on how to change the wipers. So you probably noticed that one of them is longer than the other. You can lift them up like this and they will stay in place. But one thing I learned about changing wiper blades is to be very careful. I'm even going to put something down here like a cloth or something, because when this is off, if this snaps down, you got a piece of metal here and it can crack your windshield. It has happened to me before. This is what I have laying around, so this will work. Anything that will prevent it from smacking your windshield. So once you have it raised away from the glass so that you have some maneuverability, you can twist it like this, and you can see that the inside piece of plastic here is actually inside a little hook-shaped piece of metal. And mine has this little tab down here. You actually lift the tab up away from the blade, and that allows the inner piece of plastic to start sliding away. So once it starts sliding off, you can put your blade kind of back to how it was and just slide it all the way down. And then you can just slide this right out of the hook. So as you can see, if you're not careful and you bump this thing and this smacks down into your windshield, it probably will crack it. Now this blade that I just removed is actually an aftermarket one. This is what you might find on the car, and it has some little tabs on the side that you can see. If you press them in, it will release the top of this. And so let me show you how this style works in case you find yourself dealing with one of these. With this open, the actual metal blade passes through it like this, similar to how it went through the underside of your other blade. And the hook just latches to the little plastic piece that's inside it. And just press it all the way up firmly until it kind of snaps into place. Put this down and lock it back. Now you can remove your protective thing and lower it gently. And there you go, you have changed the blade. So again, if you need to remove this style, it's the same thing. You just squeeze those little tabs in, lift this up, raise the blade, and slide it back out. So as you can see, a super simple procedure. I've got a lot of other E46 content on the channel, so please subscribe, follow along, and learn how to do more stuff on your car. It's easy, saves you a lot of money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.